Wanna know how to rename your chat in Kimi AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under 2 minutes, so let's get straight to it. First things first, you can just simply open up your kimi.com website. So you can just simply open up your application, the mobile application or the app itself. So choice is on you. So once you've opened it up, you should be provided with this interface right here. So now once you're under this interface, here on the leftmost side, you should be seeing various options and you should be under chat history. So you can just simply hover on to any existing chat first. So once you've hovered on it, here you should be seeing this small 3-dot icon right here. Just simply select that. And here you should be seeing edit chat name. So you can just simply select edit chat name right here and you can just simply edit it. So once that is on, you can just simply select confirm and you should be good to go. And that's it. This is how you easily edit your chats or your chat history in Kimi. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.